Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a figure entity. So I have this room here, and we are going to want to make an exit door. So let's see, we will need to have our door here, but we're also going to, so I'm going to alt click up here, duplicate this way, this and this. Duplicate it. Move it over here. Duplicate this. Move it over here. That. And just make it so you can't see the thing above. Okay. So now I'm going to put a door. We need a door. Okay. Just gonna move it so it fits. Rotate. There. Okay, now I have this door. Now I'm gonna do main. I'm gonna add a, on the door I'm gonna do the script. So script.parent.touchedConnect function hit. Then we're gonna do a bool value, name found code or something. Now I'm just gonna make it so that if you click a note, you will be able to exit the door. So you gotta find that note, which will be randomly generated around the library. So on this, we're gonna do if script.parent.parent.parent.foundCode.value equals true, then script.parent.parent destroy. So rename main. Okay, now we have to get a note. So I'm just gonna note. I'm just gonna use this for now. So I'm gonna do code. So now we have our note. I'm gonna add a click detector. And a script into the click detector. So script.parent.mouseClickConnect function player. If player and script.parent.parent.parent.foundCode.value equals false, then script.parent.parent.foundCode.value equals true. And then I'm gonna do script.parent destroy. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna hide this in one place, which is going to be up here. So you could make it randomly generated by putting different invisible spots around and then doing a get children and then a math.random through that to get a random one, and then set the node C frame to that one C frame. But for now, I'm just gonna do it like this. Now we need to get our figure. I'm just gonna name him Fig. I'm gonna make him a regular dummy. Now we're gonna make sure nothing is anchored, because otherwise, if something is anchored, then the script won't work. So in our guy, we're gonna add a script. We're going to do script.parent. So while true, do wait 1. Then I'm gonna do a function called find. So for I, v and I pairs, game.players get players do local distance equals script.parent.position minus v.character.primary.position.magnitude. If distance would rather have the distance, then let's say 35, which will be its state range, then target equals v.character and max equals dist. So it finds and then we're gonna do here local target equals no, local max equals 35, and instead of 35 here we're gonna do max. And then we're gonna do return target, and we're gonna do local target equals find if target then script.parent. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. So distance. So script.parent.humanoid move to script.parent. Target.primary.position. Script.parent.humanoid.move to finished. Wait. So now this will follow the player. But we don't have the kill script, so it doesn't kill the player. So I'm just gonna copy that from our other 2 monsters, or other 3. So figure now, paste into this, and I'm gonna set this to 14.5. I'm gonna name this main follow. And then here's another thing. We're gonna do function move to. Now this is gonna be different because we're gonna do pathfinding. Local path equals game get service pathfinding service create path. Then I'm just gonna do agent height equals 5, comma agent radius equals 2, comma agent can jump equals false. There. Now path compute async. Now we're going to do script.parent.primary.position, comma, then we're going to do our destination. And then we're going to do for I, comma, target and I pairs path get waypoints do, and then we're just gonna cut this, put it there, delete that, and now that should be it. So move to target.primaryPart.position. Okay. Now we should have our little library working. Let's see, I'm just gonna save it and I'm gonna play it. So now how many libraries do we have? Huh? Oh yeah, we forgot to put the library in the... So we need to put the library in the room data. Okay. Next, I'm planning to do Screech. Okay. Path request is too long. Huh? Oh, we did the, yes. I did the wrong greater or less than sign, so it would try to find us through the whole map and walk towards us then. So if it would rather have maximum than distance, I think. Yeah. Here we go. And then we should not have any errors. Okay. That's a problem. I'm gonna follow 13. Oh yeah, we're gonna do if v dot character then, just so it doesn't just break when a player joins. And now that's on line 3. Come on. Does it not have a primary part? I mean, it does. Oh, does it not have a script up? What do you mean? Huh? Okay. Oh, yeah, so it's trying to find the script's parent's primary part. So it's not finding this, the script's parent. Well, that'll be an error we can deal with later. First, let's see if it works. How many libraries do we have anyway? So we will probably have a few libraries. Let me see. And here's one. Yeah, I did HD admin for a reason. So let's do no clip. So I can just get over there really quick. Okay, now figure should be somewhere around here. Where's the little guy? Just gonna. That's problematic. Okay, there he is. What you doing there? Ah! He's coming. He's coming. Okay, he lagged and scared me. So now we have to click the note. I said click the note. Okay, now we have it. Clicked, I think. Now we just have to run from figure. Probably through all the rooms. Yep. And yeah. So now we have what we want. So this time it's runner or a rush. And our figure works. You can add animations if you want, but our figure works. So that's simple. So I think that'll be it for this video, everyone. See ya!